Rigid Industries is a leader in lighting innovation, and with the E-Series, they have given us one of the best all-around lighting solutions. The E-Series Pro lights come from Rigid with many different beam options. We've installed the 20-inch spot and flood combo light bar, and it looks perfect on this bumper. With its blacked out circuit boards, UV-resistant powder coat finish, and impact-resistant lens, this light brings style and a rugged look to this Bronco. The black finish blends perfectly with this Fab Force bumper, but don't let this fool you into thinking that its appearance fades when the sun goes down. Light bars are a necessary addition to any truck, Jeep, or Bronco when taking to the trails, in the desert, or off-road. The E-Series Pro has some upgrades that keeps it in a class of its own. LED technology provides 111% more raw lumens than previous versions, and that means better visibility in darker situations. This light is the best of both worlds with the spot and flood combo. Paired with other Rigid lights on this Bronco, this bar cannot be beaten. The build quality of this light bar is worthy of the Rigid name. It is SAE J575 and IP68 compliant. What that means is that it is shock and vibration resistant, and it can handle dust, water, snow, and more. Its aluminum alloy body also means that rust will not be an issue. If you're interested in purchasing the Rigid E-Series Pro 20-inch combo light bar, or you're looking for help with installation, please check out our store locator on screen or in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for new product videos each week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.